Welcome back, guys. This is Huncho Jelly Bean. Today we're going to make fish tacos, and the other day I installed a Dixie horn, but we had a little bit of a fuse problem, so hopefully this will fix it with some new fuses. Now we're going to make fish tacos. Show you guys that step through it. This is some perch that I caught back in this winter on one of my previous ice fishing videos. We're making fish tacos. As you saw, I put in onions, green peppers, and the seasoning for it. Hi, Steve! There are many ways you can do this. You can char, broil them, you can cook them in a pan, you can fry them, or you can put them in tin foil. What the tin foil is, I'll show you. I put them in with some butter, so it'll warm up nice, and they should come out pretty good. We're actually going to put them on the grill right now. Hopefully I have these sealed well enough. Just let these cook and flip them in about, say, 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes, so we're going to give them a flip. So we'll let everything inside mix around. Well, guys, thank you for watching this cooking video. If you want more, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to also share this video. Don't forget to check out my past videos of me fishing for those fish and my other cooking videos and stereotype video. Once again, stay tuned.